How to enable speedometer and Google Maps. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can enable speedometer in Google Maps. Now basically speedometer means the speed limit. If you're traveling on a certain road and you want to see its speed limit, then you can enable it in Google Maps. Here is how you can do so, how you can enable the speed limit in Google Maps, how you can view it. Now you can open up Google Maps. Once you open it, you'll get a face like this, right? You want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now here you want to head into settings. Now under settings, what you want to do is you want to scroll down below until you find the option navigation or navigation settings. In my case, it's navigation settings. Simply tap on it, and once here, if you scroll down below, you'll get the option speedometer right here. You can see under driving options the speedometer option. Make sure it's enabled and you'll be able to see the speed limit. So this way you can enable speedometer easily in Google Maps. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.